In primetime news this evening, digital vaccine record. Health Ministry says new technological record to be implemented by year end. Another medical doctor dies from COVID-19. And later, questions about safety of Rose Hall Main Road in St. James following fatal 5-vehicle collision. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what more can be done to reduce the number of road fatalities in the country? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet @televisionjam. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.